Hello everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. Got a few more things that came in, and we're going to start off the new year with new stuff. So we got this one here from Effin Cool Miniatures, and this right here is the one which caused some consternation in the house about I like at least 4 things, and some people don't want to wait that long, so we compromised on at least 4 things. So, but now this is going to get opened first. So let's see. The sign still needs to get cut. I'm being told that I should be quiet about certain things. So, but anyways, we get peanuts. So many peanuts. All right, and we have Kobold Press Bestiary. So some cool miniatures. So we got a bunch of things. Those look like dragon wings, dragon head. That is a little stump man or barrel man. One of those. Let's see, we have some adventurers. We have some more adventurers. Let's see, that looks like a dragon's body. And that looks like the dragon's upper body. And on this side, we have more stuff, more of the little barrel tiki men. Another one. We have a female sorceress, a centaur archer, a bunch of, what are you, like, gnolls or bears? People. So, see, Tomb of Beast 3 with a little birdman. Another centaur archer. So, ooh, we have a turtle sage. What are you? Oh, you are short. Are you a kobold or something? See, we have, no, you are definitely a kobold shaman. Let's see, we have some sort of watcher mage and a drinking tiki person. So, with all of that, fun miniatures. Alright, and after consulting the shipping list, we have the Bearfolk troop, we have the Keg Golems, we have the Black Sun Orcs, the Kobold Junk Shaman, so a couple of Alcids, Abominable Beauty, Christ, Kobold Trapsmith, Mithril Dragon, Vestigial Lich, Puffin Folk, and then the multi-packs are of Cat Folk, Adventure Troops, male and female. So, woo! Alright, now, you all get out of here. You can go away. And we're going to do this one which says Fragile on it, and also is the last one that showed up. So it made someone very happy that we could actually do an unboxing. So, alright, and this is just from shipping department. So, don't know whose shipping department, but someone's shipping department. And here's some stuff rattling around. So, alright, you go away. And fold. Let's see, so we have, alright, we have the paper strumps, so little pencil-like things to grab it, and we have the Nord 24 graphite body woodless pencils, so a whole bunch of really nice colored pencils. Ooh. Alright, so, and I have been informed by the powers that be that these are for smudging and blending. So, very nice. And we'll go this side, and I have an Oswald Chronicles sticker on it. So if that gives us some information or not, we will see. We'll open up. And I'm gonna find where I put my opening knife. Anyways, you like these comic boxes? Alright, I see art stuff. Okay, you. Alright, so we have some collector cards, we have a sticker, more collector cards, and I think, so this is for one of their game cards. Alright, and we have the Oswald Chronicles, so issues 4, 5, and 6 here. So, 4, 5, and 6. Excellent. Alright, so looking forward to that. And let's see, we got the last one here from Nebula. So, and I know what this is, and I'm kind of excited. And come on, open it up. Alright. Okay. Alright, and so is this the only thing in there? Yep. Alright, so we have the 2025 extra history calendar. So with all the amazing, wonderful, historic events labeled out on there. So really looking forward to this. Thanks guys for years of enjoyment. So whoever's idea it was to come up with a calendar, great job. So, and I think that is everything for this time. So, a lot of fun stuff. So, and we will see you all next time. Bye.